At Pan-Oston, precision metal fabrication is more than a capability, it's a commitment. We're continually investing in cutting-edge technology to deliver unmatched quality and efficiency. Automated panel benders, high-speed lasers, plus punch and shear machines allow us to shape, cut, and form metal with speed and consistency, while our advanced part sorting robot streamlines production and accuracy. From concept to completion, every part is engineered, assembled, and tested in-house to meet the highest standard. Whether it's a checkout counter or a custom kiosk, our investment in automation ensures your products are built to last and built to perform.
With every product that Pan-Oston produces, our precision and quality is verified throughout the process. From the moment we cut the first raw material, our quality checkpoints throughout the process are critical.
Pan-Oston, your partner in advanced precision metal fabrication.